Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I want to show you a few things that the Born Pretty store sent to me, and I want to try to do up my nails in some kind of Valentines. As you'll see when you see, they sent me the Valentine's Day S001, and this is the plate. All these gorgeous images. I'm thinking about using one of these. I don't know. I don't really know until I get into it. Remember to peel off the plastic. And some plates do now come with clear plastic for some brands, so just make sure that the plastic is off. You can kind of feel it. I also have L003 decoration, these cute little packages. It comes with all these cool lines and all these little, these are so cute. These will look great at the base of your nail, little accents. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I also have, as you can see, I was thinking ahead for Valentine's Day, two of their colors. This one's a metallic. Color is BP, Born Pretty FW10. The name is Anto. And this one is color BP-FW08. And that's the name. I'm not even going to try to say it. Miscedence? I don't know. Here's your ingredients. Like I always say, open these with something. I've lost so many of a nail on these. They're cute, handy boxes. This is a metallic as well. And it does have the name and number on the bottom, so that's great. Look at this color. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to try to use both colors just a little bit. I'm not really sure. I always just, how I tend to do nail art is I have something I want to show you or is asked to show you, and I try to incorporate that into something. I put a color on, or I grab a couple colors. I grab a couple things that match. I have some silver things laying out here, and I'm just going to go with it and see what I come up with. And of course, I've got my stamping supplies all ready to go. And some of that peel. Fresh plate. So once I found out that these were like my desired thickness of a card, that's all I've been using. You can take my numbers. There's nothing on it. It's just a Walmart gift card. And I'm just going to take a couple images. I think first I'm going to go with red since I'm actually already wearing pink. I have never done an image like this, so let's try that. I'm not sure how much polish it needs. A little bit of the image I didn't want. Let's see if I haven't taken too long. I don't like that pickup. I'm really wanting that left image now. I can never decide. I'm gonna go right down the middle with it. Not the most perfect lineup. Let's see if I can fix that a little bit. A little acetone on a brush. I'm just gonna try to clean it up just a little bit because I'm not happy. And since it's gel polish under there, I can totally do that. You know what I'm gonna do next? I didn't even need to do that. That's a cool look. I could have did two colors there. I wonder if the pink will show up. Oh yes, clean out the plate. I'm tempted to do two colors. I've never done two colors stamping at the same time. So let's try. just to mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna use my smaller stamper. Yep, came out pretty good. I wasn't even thinking about where I'm going to use it at yet. Well, the dark didn't show up that great, or the light didn't show up that great. But with gel polish, I'm just going to take my cotton cloth, this right here, and just take that right off. As long as you don't get that scratch the layer, you're usually good. Okay, this color is not going to be great for this. Keep doing this, I'm going to be going through the tape. I have to get out my lint roller. Now since I have half there, I'm thinking about going half, because I have some stickers that I would like to use too. And I might need to get a little bit more of that image on there. Instead of going through all that heartache of trying to match it up, I'm just going to take off the part I don't like. Make it blend out how I would think I would like it to look. There we go. Need to do at least one more, something. I want to try, maybe some of, well, I think I should do a little bit more of this, right? So I did half there, let's do half here. Let's take it off before we get started. There we go. Got extra heart. I like how that extra heart. Let's put an extra heart on the other one. Might use both. I don't know. There we go. That kind of made it match a little bit better to me. I'm just going to try to go for some of these little love arrows. To my big stamper. That's totally me. I just figured I'm going to take some of these hearts and mix them in with the red and some silver and see if I can do that. I've never done it. I'm always intrigued by everybody that does it. I think I don't know how much stamping polish to put down is my problem. I kind of mixed it all in. Kind of digging that color. Kind of digging it. I don't know why I'm meticulously taking all this off, because it's probably not going to fit on my nail. More fit than I thought, so that's good. Just a subtle little look there. Okay, what I'm going to try to do is I have some of these stickers out I bought off of AliExpress. I'm thinking to put like right down the side of these. I don't know, just guessing. I had them put on my faux fur nails after the video, and I never took a picture with it on. It's pretty cool. Like the next day I was like, need something else. Yeah, it's long enough. get it on there straight. I need one more. I should have probably used a smaller one, but since I didn't, I'm going to keep up with what I'm doing. I'm going to cut it so I don't cut the line in half, the little decoration in half. I'll peel it up a little bit. Just cut that off, lay it back down. Lay this back down so I can do my other hand. After I assess. I like this cute little look. Didn't even get into this plate, so I'll get into this plate on another video. I really like this one. I like them both. They're really, really pretty. Well, everyone, thank you for being here with me today. Let me get all this cleaned up and top coated and done up and take some pictures, and I'll put it at the end of the video. Thank you for being here with me today, everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.